Good morning, everyone. So in this video, I'll try to show you how to use your calculator, TI-30X or TI-36X, particularly if you're trying to solve a quadratic function application problem. There will be two parts of this video. This is part one. So this problem is coming from Lab Manual, page 86, number 2. While playing basketball this weekend, Theo shoots an air ball. The height in feet of the ball is given by negative 16t squared plus 32t plus 8. How long will it take the ball to strike the ground? First of all, I need you to see this. So the ball is going upwards, reaching a maximum at vertex, and then hits the ground. So this is the shape, and what you're looking for, how much will it take the ball to strike the ground, you're looking for this x-intercept. Hence I said x-intercept because you're starting at t equals 0. So I will be talking about more on this shape, but when you read a question like that, how long does it take for the ball to strike the ground, I need you to understand you're looking for x-intercepts, so roots of the function. So again, the other thing you need to do next, look at your quadratic function if it is in standard form. Standard form means ax squared plus bx plus c. So x's is replaced with t's here. So yes, it is in standard form. So I don't need to shuffle the terms or rewrite the function. It starts with the highest degree, then first degree, then the constant term is there. Then identify your ABCs. A is negative 16, B is 32, C is 8. Then use your quadratic formula, which is kind of pain, but you gotta use it because we learn in this module quadratic formula, and honestly module 3 starts with quadratic formula. So enter your numbers in your formula correctly. I need to see this portion on your papers. So negative 32, negative b, plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Okay, so I gotta see this. Go one more step to the red step. So be careful, you're multiplying two negatives. That's going to give you positive. So 32 squared is 1024. Negative 4 times negative 16 times 8, that will be 512. You're adding those, and then you will end up with this blue formula here. Now, at this point, get your calculator out, and let's start to do the things in the calculator. So there is a polysolve button in your calculator. It is located right above on cosine inverse key. So to activate that, because it's written in blue, you need to hit the blue button first, and then you need to hit the cosine inverse or polysolve button. And then you gotta choose one of those. We're gonna choose the first one, ax squared plus bx plus c, because we're solving a second degree, not a third degree. Hit enter. Now I need to enter here my a values. It was negative 16. That negative is not going to be coming from the negative right below the multiplication or above the addition one. That negative should be coming from the parentheses negative. So hit that, and then 16. Hit enter. B is 32. I already entered there. You can enter it. And then C was 8. Okay, enter. And then hit solve. All right, so you're seeing your first x value recorded somewhere, 0.224. Okay, I will be recording that with you. So that will be your first root. You're taking it 3 places after decimal. Do not forget your negative sign in front of it. Hit enter again. Okay, that is your second x value, which is 2.224. All right. Then go back to your function problem. Now we're going to answer how to place those roots into that picture on to next video. Hope this one helps. See you on part 2.